So non-public data has always been an asset for SaaS companies. Long before AI, non-public data was a key driver of success. And it remains even more so today because it used to be actually that you could gather public data as a SaaS application and then resurface that. Maybe you would transform it or enrich it in some way, but that was a reasonable base on which to build a business. That's not really true anymore because with public data, of course, anyone can generate an application that does that fairly quickly. Of course, it's not true with non-public data. By definition, the LLMs haven't been able to use it for training, but also agents or software that someone else builds quickly can't go out and access that same data. And so that begs the question, well, if it's not public, how do you get it? And it used to be that maybe one option was to go to other private sources of data and pay for that, right? So that still may be an option. Financial markets work in that way. In particular, if you're negotiating with parties that have not previously brought their data sets to the public or never been paid for them, there may be an option to lock in some exclusivity or to bring unique data to the market in that way. You might also find yourself building applications that go and collect data from folks. Now that, of course, is easier to do, but aggregating all of that data and bringing it back is actually more of a marketing and distribution exercise. Once you get that reach and pull that data in, now you have a valuable asset that wasn't public before you gathered it. And so there are different ways to get there, but however you do, if you can manage to aggregate a reasonable volume of non-public data, that is an incredible asset to have today in the AI era.